ang beshi ka. Beshi ka. You want to know what I was saying? I was saying, do you want to be my friend? As in, bakit muolnkot ang beshi ka? Do you know that word? No? Or yes? I think you all know the word. So, you want to see this wand? Kind of jingles a little bit, but it lights up. And it can also change colors too. This is white. This is blue. That's purple. This is pink. Kind of white, but it's actually pink. See? That's it for today. Bye!